Obviously, step 2 is getting onto Google Classroom, which we've been doing for the most part, but there have been a few issues that I'd like to address with Google Classroom as well. Number one, don't just go by the to-do list. You need to get into the class, and your class is listed here on your stream. The stuff's going to be at the top that's new, and then it goes down from there. You can see listed by the date. The stuff that I posted today, I have everything set to post ahead of time, and it'll drop at 8 a.m. on the day that it's due, or the day that we're working on that assignment. So today's assignments were this cultural context video that I narrated and did the video, and then the cultural context knowledge check. It's just a 4 or 5 question quiz to make sure you actually watch the video. You'll see that at the top. You can click on classwork, and it'll show you a list of all of your classwork that you have going on right now. Couple issues. First issue, again, is you can't just go off your to-do list. You have to actually get into the class. Second issue is I did have one assignment that I had to repost. If I've reposted it to multiple places, it won't let me then give the option of creating a document for each one of you. Typically, when I put it in, I will do so that when you log on, it's created a document for you that you just have to fill out. If it comes up where it's read only, as I said in the email that I sent out, what you'll have to do is make a copy. So let me show you how to do that right now. Oh, sorry, that's a bad assignment example. Pull up one that's okay. So for this one, for example, when you click on it, if you got to this and it's giving you read only as an option, you need to go to File and click on Make a Copy. What that will allow you to do is save a copy of this to your Google Drive. Once you have a copy, you can make changes. Once you're done with those changes, you're going to go right here to this page on your screen, right up here at the top. It's going to have a place to attach the file. You want to attach the file that you made changes to and then click Turn In. Another thing that I'd like to mention about this, a couple of you turned something in and then you came back to me a day later after I graded it and said, well, it's not due till tomorrow. Can I fix it? Don't turn it in until you're ready. I mean, once it's turned in, I'm trying to stay on top of all the grading as best I can. So once it's turned in, I like to start grading it. There may be instances where I allow you to redo something, but for the most part, please don't turn it in until you're ready for me to grade it. Again, I will try to have it set up to where it makes a copy and you won't have to worry about doing where you make your own copy and attaching it. Because I think that's a couple extra steps. But sometimes the way it downloads, if there's a problem and I have to repost it, I can't avoid that on my end. So if you get a copy that pops up and says read only, you need to click on File and Make a Copy, and that will get you a copy created on your drive that you can then attach to turn it in. It's happened once so far. Again, if you have questions about that, please email me and I'll be happy to walk you through it, but please email me when you have the problem, not later. So again, I think that's everything on Google Classroom. Number 1 each day is checking Planbook, and number 2 is checking Google Classroom every single day. Please.